What's her? Hola.
Hi.
This is Ratchet by
Ratchet.
_Culture and his brother. Alright. I'm Culture and she's who that other boy is.
Oh, so you're just gonna block me up? Dang. That's
Ready?
alright.
This is only gonna be the parts that I remember.
Because I don't remember.
Ready?
He says, oh, she too crazy.
Ready?
Ready.
Oh my goodness. Who let her come out the house like that?
She need to go back in.
She is killing the most. Killing the most.
Killing the most. She's doing the most.
OMG, what do she got on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this up a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it? I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister.
Well,
A baby boy. And he came with a sister.
nuh-uh.
That's right, I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club. I was in the middle of the club. No shoes. Where's skirt? I had to get cute today. No fancy today. I had to keep living. My baby daddy just made bail. He'll shoot today. Shoot today.
Yeah.
Today. Girl, did you get the glue today? Go on, big fit out. Mood.
No.
It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Okay, here she go. Hey, girl.
Girl, you look nice.
You look so good. Turn around.
All right.
Okay.
See you later,
later now.
girl. Comment.
OMG, what does she got
That's so
on?
nasty.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Oh, she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this off a picture.
She ratchet.
Got it? I'm about to put this on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
My name is good, but my girlfriends call me Carly. Something. Barley. Tooches is my favorite future daddy, baby. Sorry.
Let's call baby daddy. My baby
Mari. I had to get cute today.
Baby daddy just made
My baby daddy just made bail. He'll thug. He'll shoot today. Gonna be fit out. Move. Alright, it's the 15th. I got my food down.
I don't think she about to answer.
Hey, Brody. And this is the end of our She Ratchet
She ratchet.
video.
Thank you. Like.